Hello, Mr. Harry, Mr. Ryan. All right today? Good. Okay. So, do you remember what's anagram? Anagram.
Yeah.
What's anagram? Can you give me an example of anagrams? Two anagrams. What's anagram?
Silence and listen.
Anagram.
Eric and Rice.
Eric and Rice. Okay.
Silence and listen.
How do you write and what?
Silent.
Silent.
Listen.
Yeah. Okay. So,
But
can you explain to me what are those? I mean, so what are anagrams? What's anagrams? These two, what are them in common? And these two, what
they
are
have
them in?
the same letters.
Yeah, they have the same letters. Yeah, same letter means that one corresponding to another. Look, so the same number of letters and same type of letters. Yes, Eric, E-R-I-C, E-R-I-C, silent, silent. Okay, okay. So this is anagram. Great. And what's substring? Substring. What's substring? Substring like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Can you tell me what are the substring of the length 3? Length 3 substring in this string. Ryan, Eric, how many substrings which are of the size 3 in A, B, C, D, E, F, G? Eric, what's substrings?
Like the continue.
Continuous. So length 3. If we are looking for length 3, the substring which are size of 3 in these string, what are those? Should be very easy, yeah? What are those?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
No. Substring size of 3. A, B, C, and
B, C, D, C, D, E, D, E, F, which is defined.
E, F, G. Okay?
F, G, F.
So this is substring. Okay? So today we talk about anagram and substring. Okay, so what are those? So for example, like I have a S0 which is A, B, C. And I have a S1 which is D, A, C, B, D, E, A, C, B. Okay. So we want to look for the substrings in S1 that are the anagram with S0. Okay, so what are those in this case? Alright, look. ABC. What are the ABC can you find the substring in S1, which is the anagram in S0?
B, A, C, A, C, B.
And ACB, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got it, right? So look, BAC, ABC, ACB is okay. So yeah, so we return number 3. Easy. Yeah?
Yeah, but there's ACB and another ACB.
Yeah, that ACB, yes, exactly, but they consider different. So they are different substring, right? This ACB, they are both the anagram with S0, okay? Got it? So this is the problem, right? Yeah? So how can we do this? So how do we check if the two strings are anagram? If they are, look, if I give you S0 and S1, how do we check if they are anagram? Remember, define, check anagram is anagram. How do we check it? Remember? We talked about this before. We want to check the number of characters and their appearance. The number of frequencies are the same. And we can use we need to count, right? We need to count the string. So in Python, remember we use what kind of, how can we count it? How can we count it?
Set.
Yeah, but we can use the much faster way, which is capital C.
Counter.
Yeah, we counter. So this is easy. Yeah, return counter S0 equal what? What?
S.
Counter what?
S1.
Well done. 1 none. To check if these two are the anagrams. Okay. Okay, so now look, because we know the length of the S0 is 3, yeah? We know this length. So in S1, what are the substring, the size we want to look to check? What are substring of, we know, right? Because we only want to check the number, the substring which are have the same size as S0, yeah? So in this case, I check what? BAC, because this is the window of 3. And I move to next. Every time I check the substring of 3, yeah? Substring are 3. Substring. Am I right? Yeah? So in this case, we can check, right? So how can we check? So BAC, we check. Okay, if it's the same, we can use this one, right? But when we move to the ACB, we need to update this counter thing here. So how can we update it? When we move from BAC to ACB, what should we do? What should we do with the counter? One of the counter. Because this counter never change. This counter S0 never change, right? This counter never change. But this is changing. Counter S1 is changing of the leap from BAC to ACB. So what we need to do is we remove the leftmost B. Look, Eric, this is very important. Right and look. We remove the leftmost B and then we add the rightmost B. Right? BAC to ACB, what happened? We don't need this B, right? And we add one more, okay? ACB to move to next, what do we do? What do we do? Look, Eric. We get rid of A, we add the D. And then move to next, what do? We get rid of C and we add E. Move to next, we get rid of B and we add A. Move to next, we add the C and remove D. Move to next, we add the B and remove E, okay? So we just need to update this counter along the way, right? Yeah? Okay, then we can do this, okay? This is called a sliding window, okay? Because we know the size of the window is what? N0 equals length S0, okay? This is the size of sliding window. Always the sliding window size N0. Move it, move it, okay? Define, let's do this. Define count anagram substring, okay? Count AS. S0, S1 column. First of all, we need to remember, know the answer. Answer will be equals to what? At the beginning, answer equals what?
N0.
Where down? Okay, then now N0 equals R. R is the point. I show you what's R. Okay, equals length S0. And then what? N1 equals length S1. Okay. Okay. Now C equals counter. Counter what? S0 S1. This never change. Counter S what? S0, right? Right? Eric? Pay attention. Come on, guys. You're losing focus. C equals counter S0. And then what? Current. Let's do it. Current. The window. Okay. The window equals counter. Counter what? S1. If C equals current, what does it mean? Look. What does it mean? Look. This is S0 equals ABC. And S1 equals BACD ACB. Okay? For example, like that. Okay? Look, alright? S0, the C is ABC. Current, is it S1? No, it's not S1. We need to do this S1 up to N, yeah? So we need to S1 to what? To what? The first, how many characters? Eric, do you understand? Do you understand? So look, C is this, yeah? And current, first of all, first window is BAC. So S1, how many? What should I put here? N1 or N0? N1 is the length. N0. N0. Come on, N0 is this one. Yeah? Okay. And then if C equals current, if ABC and BAC, the counter is anagram. So what should we do? What should we do? Answer what? If this is the anagram of this, the first window, what should we do?
+1.
Answer +1. Well done. Yes, that's what I mean. Yeah. And then we just need to move this to the end, right? So R, look, R is the length S0. R is at this point at 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. R will be pointing to here, right? R is the initial value. So I'm here. I want to move here. R, yeah. So what should we do? While R is smaller than N0 or N1. N0 or N1. Come on, think about it. N0 or N1. Hmm?
N1.
Yeah, N1. Okay, so I need to update the window. So this is see current is the current window. So what should I do? I should remove. I should add the D, right? Look, Eric. I should add the these. I should add this and remove this. Yeah. I should remove this. I should add this, right? Look. So what should we do? The current, yeah. Current what? S1 R what? Plus equals 1. Okay? Got it? Everyone. And then let's remove this, yeah. Current S1 what? R. If this is R, what's this? This is R, what's this? R minus what? N0 and what?
R minus S0.
N0, the number of lengths, yeah? Minus 3, yeah? Minus N0 minus equals 1, right? But if this is 0, so what happens? If this is 0, we need to remove the key from the dictionary, yeah? Got it? Because when this becomes 0, what does it mean? When a number of appearance becomes 0, it means this character is not existent in the current window, so we need to remove the key, right? So if what? If current S1 R minus N0, come on, equals 1, then we delete it. We delete the key. Delete current S1, yeah, S1 R minus N0. Okay, right? And then what should we do? If current equals C, what should we do? Yeah?
Answer plus equal.
Yeah, if we already updated, then we need to, if we already update the window, and then we find out the window is the same as this window, then we answer plus equals 1. Right?
Yeah.
And how do we go to the next loop? How do we go to the next loop? By what? R what? Plus equal 1, right? We move this window to the next, yeah, R plus 1. And return, is it return?
Answer.
Return answer, well done, okay. So does it make sense? What's the time complexity? What's the time complexity? Oh, what's N? Oh, N0 or N1?
N0.
N0 or N1, come on.
N0.
N1, come on, well done, Eric, well done. Because we're moving here, right? We're moving here. Huh?
Say what?
Well done. Okay? Okay, so, and yeah, because look, we're moving this window, yeah? So we're moving here, not here, right? Because this one S0, so, sorry? Listen, come on. Okay, and then, what's the space complexity? What's the space complexity? Oh what? Oh what?
1.
Any space we're using, don't just guess.
N.
What's N?
The space, the counter.
The counter. But this counter S0, we have length N0, right? And what's this space?
S1.
Look, this is the same size, yeah? Because in all the time, we just need the space, 2 counters, to store the number of anagrams, yeah? So what's that? So it's O N0 times 2. N0 plus N0, O N0 times 2, okay? Got it? Does it make sense, Eric?
Okay.
Okay, can you tell me how can we solve this problem?
By just shift Windows thing.
Shift Windows thing, okay? I'm going to erase 2 parts, okay? Erase this bit. Okay? Erase this bit. Come on, understand it. And then erase this bit. Okay, you just tell me. Okay. Okay. Okay, just these 2. So and then you need to tell me what happened, okay? Counter what?
Okay, I'm gonna write it.
Can you not play with this one, please? This is for Eric, Ryan. Come on, you want to do it?
I don't.
Current equals what? Counter what? Counter what? Look.
S1.
S1 what? S1. S1 what? This is S0. C is this one. S1 we are going to use the first few characters, which is what?
N0.
Well done, N0. And then here we are adding this R, and then what should we do? Updating the left bound. We are adding the new characters. And then what should we do with the leftmost character in the window? What's this? S1 what? This is R. What's this?
R
R
minus
minus
N0.
N0. Well done, yes. Okay, so this is R because the window size is N0. So we get the previous leftmost window character in the window, yeah? Because we're shifting, right? What does it mean by we're shifting? We take away the leftmost in the window and then we add a new character in the window. So we are shifting, basically we're shifting this window, okay? Okay, and then if the window, if this map, if this occurrence becomes 0, we need to remove the entry from the map, okay? This is for comparison because we want to check if current equals C, then answer +1. R +1, we move this, we shift the window one side to the right, okay? Got it? Okay, that's it for today. Good job.
Bye.
Bye bye.